Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to print a test page from an Epson Stylus DX6000. Now this is ever so simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the buttons here and the screen found on the front of the printer. Now the first thing we need to do is to go into setup or maintenance, which can be found here with a screwdriver and a spanner symbol. So we press this button and the printer immediately takes us into the various maintenance procedures it can do. Now check ink levels is the first one, but if we press the right arrow here, we go along to check ink nozzles, which is a strange way of saying print a test page. So we press the start button, which is this one at the bottom here, also indicated on screen. Now this will take the printer just a minute. Obviously make sure you've got paper in there and it's ready to go. And eventually you'll be presented with a test page like this. Now as you can see, the printer breaks down the colours into cyan, magenta, yellow and black. This demonstrates not only your printer's ability to print those colours, but also its ability to do fine detail. So as you can see here, the magenta has a few little gaps and lines there, which would normally be indicative of you having stripes across your page. This printer has come in with us with a couple of print quality issues, so see the cyan there's got a couple breaks as well. But thankfully, in most cases, issues like this can be resolved by doing some cleaning cycles from the printer, which if you just press right again, it's the very next option under clean print head. So you can just click into that and away you go doing some cleans. And from here, if needs be, you can cycle doing test pages and cleaning until you've improved the quality of your prints and can carry on happily. But I hope you found this useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.